Hey everybody, it's Kim with Dudash Farms. How you doing? I hope that you're joining us live. We are on location today. So we are in St. Louis and we're here visiting Brandon and Christina. This is Brian's daughter and our lovely son-in-law. And we are here and we're gonna make some Mongolian beef. So let me show you who we got. We have, okay, say hi everybody. There's Brandon and Christina and Brian. All right, y'all, tonight we are making Mongolian beef with broccoli.
Yep.
And over a bed of rice, right?
That's right.
All right, so let's go ahead and get our beef started. So
Yep.
we marinated the beef today.
Yep. So we had a 1.5 pound flank steak that we marinated in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Okay.
So it said at least an hour. We marinated it like
for longer than
half
that.
a day.
Yeah.
So we had a fun afternoon.
And we cut the meat first, right?
Right, into strips. You want to cut it across the grain.
That's right. So you want to cut the beef across the grain. So this is our flank steak. Brandon has put it in. We're hearing the sizzle.
That's right. The cornstarch is making it stick together.
That's right. So Brandon is our meat guy.
Yeah. But that cornstarch is going to give it a nice, crispy outer layer.
That's right. And we we started off with a really hot pan with some sesame oil.
Toasted sesame.
Toasted sesame oil. So look at that, y'all. He's cooking that up. And some of the things that we have done pre-show, we have cooked our rice. Or we're in the process of cooking our rice. That's right. So some of the things that we did ahead of time, and also we've cut up our broccoli and gotten that ready. We've got that roasting.
So Christina's teaching us how to roast broccoli. We never cook it that way.
That's right. That's right.
So our sous chef is teaching us some stuff.
That's right. That's right. So, okay. And Dudash is watching. Surprise, surprise. I know. So you guys say hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Grandma.
And my mom is watching. So
hi, Dodie.
hello, Dodie. And John Markham is watching. And all right. So once our meat has cooked.
Yeah. So you're actually going to remove it from the pan.
Yep.
Then we're going to put the sauce in there, along with some ginger and garlic. And we're going to skip the red peppers since you don't want the spice. But
I
it sounds good to
know.
me.
But yes, we would
And
have.
then we're actually going to put some more cornstarch in there to thicken up some of that sauce.
Gotcha. So John Markham says happy anniversary. Thank you, John. And Carolyn Clark says hello. Hi, Carolyn. I'm waving, Carolyn, like you can really see that. And Bronny is watching. Hi, Bronny. And she says, hey, Kim. And Brian, when you say we'll put our sauce in there, so tell us about what that will be.
So it's going to vary based on the poundage of meat you're using.
Got it.
So I think we had a half a cup of warm water, a couple teaspoons of brown sugar. Warm water dissolves the brown sugar.
Yeah.
And half a cup of soy sauce.
Yes.
And then the cornstarch is in a separate cup with water. We did a couple tablespoons of cornstarch, a couple teaspoons of water, and made a slurry out of that.
Right, and we'll add that to kind of, like you said earlier, thicken up that sauce.
Yeah.
So if you're just joining us, we are making Mongolian beef with broccoli over a bed of rice, and we are on location with Brandon and Christina in St. Louis.
And our grandpups.
And our grandpups. This is one of them. This is Darcy. And then we have Maddie over there. I don't know if she's the bulldog. She likes to snore. She's over there snoring. All right, so that's looking really good. Hey, Rodney. Rodney Pearson is watching. Aaron Sutton. And this is Brandon. Say hey, Brandon.
Hello.
Hello. That's looking really good and smelling good.
Yeah, I think we're about done, too.
All right. So, what's our next step?
Well, we need a few minutes, so you want to talk about what we got going on next week?
Absolutely.
This week?
So let me tell you guys, that's my cue. What are we doing this week? So y'all, the Dudash Farmers Market is over. So we are finished with that one for the season, which is why we were able to take a weekend and come and visit Brandon and Christina. We didn't have to be at the Dudash Farmers Market on Saturday, but we will be at the Ebenezer Market on Tuesday, and we're there from 3 to 6. So you all come on out and see us. We will be there actually every Tuesday until November the 9th. And after that, Brian and I will no longer be at the Ebenezer Market, although that market actually goes through the Tuesday before Thanksgiving, so it's a really long market. So come on out and see us there. And if you are wanting some Dudash Farms product and you cannot come out to the Ebenezer Market, we do on the farm sales. So you just need to let Brian and I know, and we'll make an appointment with you to come out, and you can pick it up at the farm. Or if you have an order of $75 or more, we'll deliver it for free. I mean, hey, that's better than Market Wagon and all these other things that you've been doing. Better than the grocery store. You can actually just let us know, and we will be happy to bring that to you if you are in Jefferson County and surrounding counties. So let's see, we've got a bunch of people watching tonight. Thanks for joining us, gang. Kim Agro is watching. Hey, Kim. It's good to see that you're watching. And Sharon Manning, this sounds great. Sharon, it's going to be delicious. So we actually got this recipe from Laura Wall from Found a Pearl Farm, and so she sent us a picture of when she created the recipe, and we just fell in love with it. So Laura, thank you. So I think they're ready for me. They're giving me the motion. All right, gang, so what are we doing now? We've taken the meat out of the pan.
Yep, so we're adding, what do we have, 5 cloves of garlic and a couple tablespoons of diced ginger root.
Okay.
And this doesn't take long, so just probably about a half a minute or so.
All right, so we're going to roast that up. So what we did, gang, was once the meat was fully cooked, we took that out of the pan, and now we're combining all of our other delicious ingredients here. Yeah, that looks really good. Yummy. So like Brian said, ginger, garlic, and it's in some roasted sesame oil.
Yep.
Okay.
Put
Yum.
Yep.
And then this is the sauce that Brian was talking about. This has the soy sauce in it, brown sugar, and water.
Yep.
And
so this is going to take a few minutes.
Yeah. So this will take a little
warm
bit.
up and cook down.
Got it.
That goes in a few minutes.
All right. So let's talk a little bit more about what we're doing with our markets. So like I was saying, we're taking appointments on the farm, so come on out and let us know. We'd love to serve you. And gang, we are going to the butcher every 2 weeks, so we will have beef and pork available all winter. So if you're concerned that we're no longer at the market and you're wondering how you're going to get our product, you just have to let us know, and we'll be happy to take care of that for you. So let's see, John, Amy, Angus is what? Hey guys, we met them at the farm expo, the beef expo. So it's good to see you guys are watching. Let's see, Karen, hi, hey Karen Hilton, hey y'all, happy fall, thank you. Yes, and you guys, Brian and I are celebrating our 3-year anniversary today, so this is just a special day. We're actually able to be here with Brandon and Christina, and I know, see, that's the beauty of I told them not to be nervous about doing this live, because you can screw up and everybody gives you grace, so thank God. Let's see. So anyway, we're celebrating our 3-year anniversary, and I couldn't be happier, and I think Brian feels the same way. I hope he does.
We could have been in Hawaii, but the governor didn't want us there.
Yeah, we were supposed to be on a cruise in Hawaii, but all this COVID stuff.
This is the second best place.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Let's see. Vicki Anders says, love your costumes. Have shared your egg roll in a bowl. So far, all have loved it. Good. That is a great recipe, Vicki, and it's so good to have with lots of people, right? It's simple and it's delicious. Karen Hilton said, I bet the house smells amazing. Yes, Karen, it does. It smells amazing. And then Vicki says, when are you going to do the pumpkin carving contest? Very good, Vicki. We are going to be doing that next Sunday night. So y'all, Brian and I do a pumpkin carving contest between the two of us every Halloween. So we're going to be carving our pumpkins this week, and we want you guys to vote. So we'll be doing that next week, and we'll see who you decide will win. We'll see how this goes. Let's see. Norma Rogers, hello and God bless. Hey, Norma. Melanie Clifford, happy anniversary. Thank you, Melanie. You all are so awesome. We appreciate you so much. Bronny says, happy anniversary, cuz. Brian, you got a good one. Did you hear that?
I did. I agree.
All right. Thanks. Thanks, Bronny. Happy anniversary. Oh, you're going to make me cry again. Y'all, thank you so much. Let's see. Oh, we have a trivia question. We have a St. Louis trivia question, right? Brandon?
Yes.
We decided that we were going to say, let's see, our trivia question. If you get our trivia question correct, you will win a pound of ground beef from Dudash Farms. So we went to the Budweiser Brewery today and did a tour, which was amazing. That thing is 108 acres and, oh my gosh, I think they have like between 2,500 and 3,000 employees. Amazing experience. But our trivia question for today is, how many bottles of beer are produced per minute on one line at the Budweiser Brewery? And if you can guess this correctly, or if you know the answer and it's correct, if you're the first one, we will give you a pound of Dudash Farms ground beef. So yeah, and look, we got this freshly brewed bottle of Bud Light straight off the line, right? All right, I'm getting the finger, or I'm getting the signal.
The
wave. The
So,
wave.
You
Okay.
can see that the cornstarch really thickened up the sauce.
Yes.
So we're going to go ahead and put our broccoli in here, mix it up.
And we roasted the broccoli in the oven first because it's so good.
And we didn't think everything would fit into the pan.
That's right. And we didn't think it would fit into the pan.
So we can add the meat too, if you want to stir that up, and add the meat in there.
Oh, that looks really yummy. You want to drop that in there? Don't you all love this group effort? Actually looks very good. Yum. All right, so if you're just joining us, or you joined us late, we're making Mongolian beef with broccoli, and we're going to serve it on a bed of rice. And we are making this with Dudash Farms flank steak. And we marinated this steak the recipe calls for an hour. We actually marinated it for a little bit longer than that, quite a bit longer than that. Looks really good. So now these are all of our ingredients together, and our rice is ready. We're gonna plate this up and show you guys what it looks like. Everyone's saying they want smell-o-vision.
Yeah, that looks really good.
It really does. It really does. Yummy. Okay, we've got some guesses for our trivia question here. So John and Amy say 1,000. John Markham 7,200. Vicki Anders 1,230. What? I need my glasses, Vicki. 1,298. I think she said. Bronny Victory says 1,200. We got some pretty close answers there. Okay, well, they're going to plate this up. Brandon's put our rice on there. Look at that, y'all. I wish you could be here with us. I know. This is our big anniversary dinner, supper, and you can see Darcy is all in it. She's ready. She thinks that looks pretty good. That looks really good. So there we go, you all. Mongolian beef. Oh, yeah. We'll put some scallions on there. Look at that. Beautiful.
Oh, I think she does a better job than me. Both of them.
I know. I think they just
I've
need to
been
move
replaced.
in, and I know. I think you've been replaced. Sharon Manning says 1,500. Karen Hilton 2,375, and let's see, Michael Smith. Okay, so our answer is Sharon Manning.
Yep, exactly.
Sharon Taylor Manning. You are correct. 1,500 bottles of beer on one line. And y'all, how many lines did they say they had?
I don't know. We saw line 32 or 38 today.
Yeah.
They had
So
it's four canning lines, 4 bottle lines, and 1 keg
I
draft.
guess the first number is the level.
I think so.
yeah, and so we. How many, Brandon? What was it? It was like.
3 or 4 bottling lines and
Yeah, but what was it? How many hours would it take?
Oh, for the Midwest alone to drink what was produced today, 17 hours.
How about that, y'all? 17 hours to take for the Midwest, for all of the Midwest to drink everything that we saw
They drink
today.
a little more beer than the Southeast.
Yeah.
That's right.
So it was fun. Wow. So Sharon, we're gonna be bringing you a pound of ground beef or something. So
Yep.
we'll work it out. All right. So are we gonna have a toast? You know what, gang? We're gonna have a toast for our anniversary. So we're gonna let Brian open up the champagne. This is our, oh wow.
Oh, yeah.
So this is our 3-year anniversary. With my best friend. Yeah, Karen Hilton says, congrats Sharon. I love it when you guys talk to each other, and Sharon Manning says thank you. Love it.
Oh, and here's Jake. Jake
And
came in
there's
to celebrate
Jake.
too.
Yeah, these are our grandpuppies, y'all. We love our grandpuppies.
You gotta show Maddie
Okay,
now.
come on. We got to go in here and show you our sweet little Maddie.
The favorite one
The,
of mine.
look at her, y'all. You can tell she is all about this. She's like, you all, I just want to rest. Can I just rest? So this is our sweet grandpuppy, Maddie. And Darcy, of course, coming with a toy. She wants to play. And this is Jake. So, y'all, these are our favorites. Yeah. And there. So we're gonna do a toast. You ready? Do a toast.
Yeah.
Happy 3-year anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah.
To many more.
All right. All right. Big kiss. Mwah. All right, y'all. Thank you for joining us. We're gonna have dinner. And Brian, what's your famous last words?
Let's eat.
Let's eat. All right. Thanks, y'all. We'll catch you next Sunday. Don't forget to join us. We're going to have our pumpkin carving contest, okay? And you guys get to vote. You're going to decide who wins. And we'll see you next Sunday. Bye.